Christmas cards. I have no one to give a Christmas card to.
I just got yours at the other store, but I. the approach, and
This is gonna be on YouTube. Bye, thank you.
My search led me to the study of the spiritual forces